it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the 5 must-do Walgreens deals for next week. So these deals are going to start December 22nd and go through the 28th. Make sure you guys are checking your Walgreens times and hours posted for the holidays. Some of them are going to be closing a little early on Christmas Eve, and then most of them, I think all of them, are going to be closed on Christmas. So in this video, I will give you guys 2 different scenarios for the point boosters, so make sure you check your accounts. See if you get the spend 20, get 4,000 points, or the spend 30, get 10,000 points booster. If you have either of those, make sure you clip them and send them to your card before they disappear. It is a slower week, but there are still some really good deals to take advantage of, some food items, and a lot of Ibotta deals. So if you guys are working towards any of your Ibotta bonuses for the holidays, this is a great video for you guys for some additional deals. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like and share the video with friends, family, anyone who could use some additional savings for the holidays. So let's go ahead and dive in. First deal is on the Neutrogena facial wipes. They are on sale 2 for $10. This does count towards beauty. So typically they're $6.99 each, so right there saves you $4. You're going to pick up 2 of the 25 count facial wipes. You're going to use a $2 off coupon from the Walgreens savings booklet. This is located in the front of the store where you get the Walgreens weekly ad. There is a $2 off coupon. Once they scan it, it's going to attach to both of them, so that'll be $4 off. You're going to pay $6 out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta. You're going to get $1.50 cash back for each. That's $3 back. Final cost is just $1.50 each. So these are really good stocking stuffers. If you're doing any beauty baskets or anything, you can throw this in there and it's not going to be very expensive for you. Of course, we're not going to wind up spending $3 out of pocket on these, and I will show you that at the end, so stay tuned. Next deal is on Fairlife Milk. So this is a really great deal, and I drink this milk myself. I really like it because the shelf life is a lot longer, has more proteins, and it's a lot more filtered than the regular, Great Value or is it Borden milk? I think that's the name brand. So they're on sale 2 for $7. Then there is $1 off coupons from coupons.com. There's also a digital, so you can use one of each or however you want to mix and match. Then you're going to pay $5 out of pocket. You're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each. Final cost is just $1.50. So not bad. Milk is very expensive, especially if you guys are doing any milk and cookies or leaving some out for Santa. You guys can stock up on some milk for cheap. The next deal is on the 7-Up soda cans. So regular price, they're $5.99, and this is for the 12-pack. So they're on sale 3 for $7.99. To get that price, you do have to buy 3. If you only buy 1 or buy 2, you're going to pay $5.99 each. So that's why it's cheaper and on sale. You're going to go ahead and pick up 3 of them. You're going to pay the $7.99 out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back each for the 7-Up. Final cost is $5.74 or $1.91 each, which is not a bad deal. Typically they're $5.99 and you're getting them for $1.91 each, so super hot deal. Of course, there's some oral care. We typically have oral care deals week over week. The current week is better. It is a freebie. I will be going back to Walgreens and doing that so I can get the $5 register reward because we will be using that next week for those spend boosters. So the deal for Crest is going to be buy 3, get a $3 register reward. Now, all these items you see are included, so you can pick up one of each or all of one. So the Crest Scope, the 500 milliliters, is included. They are going to be $2.99 each. So your total is $8.97. You're going to use a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You're going to pay $3.97, get back that $3 register reward. So final cost is just 33 cents each. Some good products for paper towels and toilet paper. So CVS has a good deal as well on Bounty and Charmin. So whichever brand you guys like or whatever store you plan on going to, there are some good deals on paper products next week. So what I'm going to do is pick up 2 of the Scott paper towels. So they are on sale, buy one, get one half off. So one will be $5, one will be $2.50. You're going to use 2 75-cent coupons from scottbrand.com. You're going to pay $6 for 2 or just $3 each. So not a bad deal to stock up on some paper products. When in doubt, when you guys are shopping or looking for anything to purchase, always check their website, see if they have any coupons or anything that you guys can print. In the description box, I have some of the websites that I typically check. Coupons.com, of course, is a main one that I do check. But any of the name brands, always check their website. You never know, they could have a good deal going on. So here are going to be 2 scenarios for you for the spend 20, get 4,000 points booster and the spend 30, get 5,000 points booster. So remember, when you have a spend booster, you cannot pay with points or you will not get those 4,000 points back. So you do have to pay with register rewards and or cash, credit, or debit. So the $19 in register rewards that we have from the current week and the last week's deals, we're going to be using to lower our out-of-pocket costs. So one example you can do, Olay is on sale 2 for $11. So Olay is super expensive. What you would do is pick up 4. The deal is buy 4, get 5,000 points back. So there is a $1 off 2 digital coupon. It's super low value, but go ahead and clip that to your card. You're going to pay $21, but you're going to use $19 in register rewards. So your final cost out of pocket is going to be only $2 plus taxes. So really, really low out of pocket. Then you're going to get back 4,000 points from the booster and 5,000 points from the Olay deal. So final cost is $12 for 4 of them, or just $3 each. But remember, we're only paying $2 plus taxes out of pocket. So really good deal. This does count towards beauty as well. So $22 would count towards beauty. The other spend booster is spend 30, get 10,000 points. So this is going to be using all of the 5 must-do deals. So another option, you can pick up 2 of the Neutrogena facial wipes. Those count towards beauty as well. 2 of the milk for $7. 3 of the 7-Up 12 packs for $7.99, and 3 of either the Crest toothpaste, the mouthwash, or the Oral-B toothbrushes. So whichever of those, and that'll be $8.97. So your total comes to $33.96. The $2 off each for the Neutrogena is going to come off. 2 of the $1 off coupons for the milk. The 5 off 3 digital for Crest. Coupons are going to be $11. One thing I forgot to write down on here too, you do need to pick up a candy bar or something, because the IVC coupon booklet, so the $2 off each for the Neutrogena, is going to come off first, I believe, and not count towards your total. So it's going to put you under $30. So you have to get over $30 after any Walgreens IVC booklet coupons. So throw in a candy bar. I forgot to write that down for you guys. But that way you'll be over $34 and then you'll be good to go. So with that in mind, you're going to pay about $23.96 out of pocket, including that candy bar. But again, you're going to use the $19 in register rewards from the current and last week's deals. So you're only going to pay about $4.96 out of pocket plus tax. You're going to get back $7.25 cash from Ibotta. You're going to get back a $3 register reward from the Crest, 10,000 points from the booster. So the final cost is just $2.71 for 10 items, or 27 cents each. But of course, we're only paying $4.96 out of pocket, and we're getting back $7.25 cash from Ibotta. So technically it is a moneymaker. So there's still some great deals like you see here for next week. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.